Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be trying out a bunch of new, quote unquote viral products. I have not a ton, I have like 3 things that are viral that I'm trying out. The first thing I'm going to be trying out is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas, the Filter Finish Protective Primer. Then I'm going to be trying out this new Smashbox X Nicole Concilio, the Photo Finish Primer Water. This is in the scent Centering Citrus. And then the main thing that I'm trying out is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Full Coverage Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. I'm very excited to try this because I don't know, a moisturizer that's full coverage, it just does not sound believable to me, so I'm very intrigued to try this. And yeah, I may, it's not guaranteed, I may try out these magnetic lashes from Ardell. I tried to put them on last night and it was kind of like a mess, so I don't really know if I'm going to commit to trying them today, but I may. So yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be priming my face with this Photo Finish Primer Water. Out of all 3 scents, this was definitely my favorite one. And I have the original Smashbox Primer Water in the regular original one. There's no scent to it. So and I really like it. So when I saw this, I was like, I definitely want to try this because when MAC came out with their scented Fix Pluses, I had the rose one and I loved it. So I'm all about the scented sprays. So whatever. So this is kind of spitting at me. It is definitely spitting all over my face. I don't know if it's Alright, there we go. Let me try this again. You hear that noise that it's making? Good thing it's a primer, not a setting spray, because that would be spitting at me and that would not be okay. That was weird. The other one doesn't do that. The original one? Whatever. So now, on to the primer from Tatcha. When I saw this online, it looked like a decent size primer, right? When I saw it at Sephora, this thing is friggin' huge. Look at the size of this. It's not almost the size of my face, but this thing is ginormous. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe that it is that big. This is what it looks like. So I'm super excited to try this. It comes with this little thingy that you're supposed to put the primer on with, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Alright, so now moving on to the foundation. I don't know if obviously you guys can tell, but I already have my eye makeup on, so I'm not going to be focusing on that in this video. We're just going to be focusing on the face pretty much. So yeah, so now let's see how this wears. I hope it's good. I'm going to use it, I'm just going to treat it like a regular foundation and use my beauty blender to apply it to my face. That's what it looks like. This sun is giving me life right now. It is just the perfect angle at the moment. So let's go ahead and buff this in. Alright, so it is completely blended into my skin, and first impressions, this definitely, I look like a freaking weirdo right now, but this definitely gives you a luminous finish. I don't think I've ever looked this luminous, even with the luminous foundation. This is making me very, very dewy and glowy, but I don't mind that at all. I love a little extra dew. But yeah, so far, I definitely do think the coverage is full coverage. This definitely covered up everything on my face, without a doubt. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back to give you final thoughts on the foundation. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. My thoughts on the foundation, I really like this. Like, it doesn't really feel like I'm wearing makeup, even though like obviously like I am like full glam. I even got my hoops in right now. But yeah, like I really like it. It didn't oxidize. I'm trying to grab my mirror and I can't grab it. But it didn't oxidize. Everything went on top of it nice and smooth, and just I really like this. And I think that during the summer, especially since this has SPF 50 in it, this will definitely be something that I am reaching for a lot, since it's going to be hot and the sun's always going to be out. And just, yeah, I definitely really like this. When It Cosmetics says full coverage, they mean full AF coverage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I'm always doing like first impressions, because in all honesty, I'm always buying makeup. I'm such like a makeup like junkie, and when something intrigues me or catches my eye, I'm definitely like willing to try it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you are not subscribed and you want to subscribe, you know, hit the subscribe button. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and I hope to see you in my next one.